The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2021 through current Kia Sorento with the factory installed flush side rail. We've just installed the Thule Wingbar Evo flush rack system. This is made up of the Wingbar Evo load bars, 50 inches in length. Black is shown here, but silver is also available. The Evo foot pack, which comes in a set of 4, and vehicle specific fitting kit 186112. Locks are available separately as an accessory. If you feel like you need security, grab them. They are not required. Overall, you have a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed, and normally crossbar spacing would be at the Thule recommended 27.5 inches center to center, but this customer opted for a super wide crossbar spacing, wider than recommended, but we put them on to where it still feel like it had a good grip to the rail. So anyways, this is a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.